Welcome to my new video today. I have brought 5 best electric heating pressure cooker gadgets of Amazon, which are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time. So don't drag the video, watch the whole video. And if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. Thank you. So guys, let's start the video. Presto Pressure Cooker. Presto Digital Canner for easy home canning. The first digital canner that automates both pressure canning and water bath canning, making it safe and simple to preserve your favorite foods right in your kitchen. USDA-approved pressure canning. Safely process low-acid foods such as meat, poultry, fish, and vegetables with this Presto digital pressure canner that meets USDA guidelines. No adjustments are needed for high altitudes. Dual canning functions. This versatile canner doubles as a water bath canner for preserving fruits, jams, jellies, and salsa, providing the perfect tool for all your home canning needs. NewWave Duet Electric Pressure Cooker. 50-in-1 multi-function cooker. Comes with 3 removable lids for a variety of cooking functions, including air fry, pressure cook, combo cook, slow cook, grill, roast, sear, saute, and more. 300 one-touch presets and 150 memory slots make it easy to cook professional meals. 6 mins to a perfect dish. NewWave Electric Pressure Cooker employs dynamic pressure control technology, max making 200 pressure adjustments to maintain continuous boiling, thus maximizing nutrition and 20% tastier flavor release. With 80 kPa max pressure, cooking speed is 70% faster than others. Tender and crispy Karori Pressure Cooker. 9-in-1 multifunction cooker. Experience ultimate versatility with one electric pressure cooker that serves as a pressure cooker, rice cooker, slow cooker, yogurt maker, saute pan, steamer, baker, sterilizer, and food warmer. Stainless steel inner pot. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the stainless steel pressure cooker inner pot is durable, scratch-resistant, and ensures even cooking. Its non-coated surface preserves natural flavors, is easy to clean, and is perfect for sautéing directly in the pressure cooker. IMD touchscreen. Enjoy easy pressure cooker operation with a high-definition IMD touchscreen that offers simple and responsive control. Easily press to select from 12 cooking programs for dishes like meats, vegetables, rice, yogurt, oatmeal, cakes, and more, all at your fingertips. Bear Fast Electric Pressure Cooker. Cook fast. This pressure cooker is designed to make cooking simple, easy, and convenient. Up to 30% faster cooking overall. Ideal for busy individuals and families, spends less time in the kitchen. Precision cooking. With 10 separate menus cooking such as white/brown rice, porridge/oatmeal, soup/broth, stew/meat, beans/grain, and more, a handy beep while it cooks done. Preset time and keep warm function provide flexible meal planning. Easy to use clean. 15 smart cooking programs are simple to follow, with step-by-step instructions on the large LCD display, and can be customized to fit your favorite recipes. Cuckoo Pressure Cooker. Multifunctional. Have one multi-cooker replace 8 small appliances: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, food warmer, yogurt maker, sous vide, and sauté pan to make a variety of different meals and to instantly free up countertop space. Efficient and smart. Features an LED screen complete with jog dial controls, adjustable temperature settings, a convenient delay timer, and a combo function that will automatically transition from sauté to any other cooking option. Premium quality. Includes a food-grade 304 stainless steel inner pot, designed for optimal and even heat distribution.